Good morning, children. All of you know me very well. I am Anita. Today I am here to teach you English. Previously, what I have taught you, I have taught you the grammar points. What we have discussed, just I will recall you again. Then today we will discuss about the today's story. Okay, children. Previously, I have explained you about the verb and about the tenses. Again, tomorrow I will send you the recording of these verbs and tenses, children. Today we are going to learn a very interesting story of the little drops of dew. Little drops of dew. Children, how many members know the meaning of the dew? You may know the little. Little means small. Drop. Little drop. Drop means small particle. Okay. Dew. What do you mean by the dew? Little drops of dew means nothing but the children when in a winter season when snow falls, you may have observed. If we go outside and we observe the leaves of the plants, there settles a little drop of water. The snow falls on the leaf and it settles on a leaf. This drop is known as dew. This drop is known as dew. Is it clear? This drop is known as dew. Now, this is a very interesting story where a wise man gave a wonderful suggestion to the Ramanath how to collect the dew, how to work hard, and how to collect the money. Now, I will introduce the characters today. I will introduce the characters of this lesson today, children. See. I said, is it recording? Now, characters related to the lesson. First, characters related to the lesson. I'll give you the brief explanation of the lesson. Just I'll tell you the story of the lesson. Then I'll give you the line-wise explanation. What are the verbs given in the line? What are the nouns given in the line? What are the pronouns given in the line? Now, what I said the story, repeat again, the little drops of dew. Okay, children, the little drops of dew. There is only one main character, that is Ramanatha. Okay, this is one character and another is saint. One saint. And another character is Ramanath's wife character. What is the wife's name? Sushmita. Sushmanti. And another character of the Ramanath's father. Ramanath's father. Okay. Now I will tell you story, children. Then we will go for the textual reading. See, children, reading of the textbook is must and should be done by yourself. Okay, you are now in 5th standard and you can read the textbook clearly. Is it clear? Now, let's go for the story, children. Today, very interesting story. No writing, nothing. Just we will go for the story in brief. In brief, I will explain. See, children, Ramanath was the son of a rich landlord. Rich landlord means the person, rich landlord. Here, one word we came through, rich landlord. The person who has more land. The person who owns the more land means in villages farmer owns lands. Here rich landlord means the person who owns the number of acres of land. In the same way, Ramanath's father was also a very rich landlord and he gave a whole land to his son. After his death, see what happens. Ramanath always thinks about a drink. about a drink which whenever we sprinkle on any object, it becomes gold. Somebody in his childhood told him that a few drops of the water, that is called poison, and when it is sprinkled on any object, it becomes the gold. And during his childhood he believes the word, and he searched for all the time that type of water or that type of drink, and he invested a lot of money to find out the truth behind the drink which becomes, whenever it is sprinkled, the object becomes gold. His wife Sushmanti also so many times suggested him not to waste the money in such type of things. What she said that we have to work hard. But this fellow Ramanath did not listen to his wife, and always starts believing, whoever, suppose anybody comes to him and asked him about that drink, he used to say, he used to believe, and he used to go along with that person in search of the drink. But they all are cheating him. They are not at all tolerating him. They all are just taking advantage of Ramanath's full activity. There is no such type of drink. Did you hear anywhere in such type of drink? Whenever we sprinkle that drink or that water on the object becomes gold. Such a foolish this fellow was, and he don't want to do hard work, and he believes the words told by somebody in his childhood. I will suggest to you children not to believe such type of things. Is it clear? Now what happens, see next. When this fellow did not hear to his wife, one day a wise person, one day a saint or a sage, we can say, instead of saint we can use sage, wise person, the person who wishes the good things for all the person. What he suggested, and Ramanath also believed this sage very well. Ramanath believes all the members, even though again he believes this fellow also. What he said, says, I want the portion how the objects become gold. I want such type of drink. Now sage suggested, I will tell you one thing to do. If you collect that water, a liter of water, 5 liters of water, and when you sprinkle that water on any object, that object becomes gold. Okay? What he gave suggestion to Ramanath, sage said, the dew on the banana leaves, collect the dew, the water settled on the banana leaves, and fill it in a bottle. In the winter season, fill it in a bottle, and until it becomes 5 liters. So Ramanath thought, if I plant one tree, it will be very less water, and winter season means almost 3 to 4 months we will get in winter season. So sage also suggested Ramanath that you can plant as many trees as you can. So this fellow cleared the whole field, the field which was empty from his father's death onwards. Now, after believing the sage, Ramanath cleared the full fields given by his father and planted the banana plants everywhere, and he looked after the plants. He used to go daily to the field, and in winter season he started collecting the drops of dew. As he filled the drops of dew in a bottle, every year, it took almost 6 years to complete the bottle. After the 6 years, again he went to the sage. and asked, now I brought a bottle of potion, 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 the water which is used to change the object into gold. Now if I sprinkle it, can you make it he asked, Ramanath asked the sage to say a few words, to say a mantra to the water and make it as the potion, so that he can change all the objects into gold. Now this sage just muttered, just spoke in a low voice few words to the in the water, and he told, okay, it's completed. In front of the sage, this fellow took the water and he sprinkled on a copper vessel, but there is no change in the copper vessel. Ramanath became very angry. What he said says, you had betrayed me, you have just told me the lie. Here there is no change on the copper vessel. Why you said such type of words to me? I won't believe you, he said. Now he called, what the sage did, he again called his wife Sushmanti to come front. Sushmanti came front with a box in her hand, and when she opened the box in front of Ramanatha and says, the box is full of gold coins. How they earned the gold coins? Says, explained the Ramanath that in these 6 years you did not waste even single minute. Every day you used to go to the field, every day you waters the plants, every day you have collected the dew, and your wife collected the bananas from the plants, and she used to go to the market to sell these bananas. By selling the bananas in these 6 years, you have earned these gold coins. It is all because of your hard work. There is no such type of potion which can change objects into gold. Only we have to be faith on the hard work. See children, hard work is the key of success. Is it clear children? In this story we can say hard work is the key of success. Hard work is the key of success. Okay. Hard work is the key of success. Even though Ramanath used to believe the false persons and he used to spend the money, his wife become very worried that they may become the pauper, they may become the poor persons. But as the sage entered in their lives, the sage changed fully their life. Ramanath believed the sage, he planted the trees and he started collecting the dew on the leaves of the bananas, and his wife collected the bananas from the plant. She sold all the bananas and they earned a lot of money. So children, by this story what we have learned children? Hard work is the key of success. Hard work is the key of success. And children, see, you should not waste your single minute. See, whenever you are trying for any new video game, you are simply playing on it. After taking a lot of practice, you are getting perfection in those games. In such a way, just give 1 hour or half an hour to my English. Open any story book or open your reader book. Go through the book, read the book as many times as possible. My suggestion children, not only the reader, you can read few story books also. So that you can enrich your vocabulary and reading skills. Vocabulary means Nana, you are having you are having a lot of new words. Vocabulary means nana new words. Okay, so this is all about the Ramanath's story, a little drops of dew. Again tomorrow nana I'll send you the few characters and few words from this chapter. Once go through these words, I'll send 2 paragraphs also from in the WhatsApp. And see children, if possible buy the textbook so that you can read the interesting stories by sitting at your home. I'll explain each and every paragraph of this lesson. Why I have explained you the briefly, so that you may have one idea about the story. Okay children, good day, bye.